Peace, peace, peace. You see dead people, I see divergences. We are not the same. Confluence is king. Let's see if we can find it. March 31st, 2026. Sick as a dog. That's okay, bro. We move on. We are kicking around in this possible bear flag, and we have a possible breakout. In order to convince me of some real good upside in Bitcoin from a technical perspective, I need to see this bottom line 69K and 72K, this white line all get flipped to support. When that happens, we could talk about some serious upside, but for now, I am not bullish. Have not been for quite a while, honestly, but you know, there are other places to make money, such as metals were great. Now it's about not losing money, in my opinion, so, you know, it's a good time to be sick. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't even feel like doing this, but I haven't done one in a couple days, baby, so we're gonna do it. I'm waiting for a daily candle close, and when it happens, I mean, the longer we stay below this line here, it's freaking gonna get ugly quick. So I need to see, 69K, which would retest that bottom, maybe that supply line, maybe 72K, maybe 74K. Maybe then, and only then, we will go up on Bitcoin futures to fill a gap at 84,500. Maybe we'll fill it in 4 years. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's just analysis, bro. Don't get mad. Life is very short, and there's no time for fussing and fighting, my friends. I mean, so there's your Bitcoin. Have fun with your Bitcoin. I don't know what else to say about it other than 64.8 is your friend. 69K is thy enemy at the moment. Let's move on. We'll do Ethereum real quick. I need to see this orange scenario play out to convince me of some serious upside. I want to see that heart line and 2100 get flipped, and then I want to see like 2160 get flipped to support. Till then, I mean, we're just high, low, lower high, lower low, possible lower high. We might retest here and make a lower low. Then this whole structure will break lower and get ugly. I mean, that's all I have to say about that. I don't know what's going to happen, but, one piece of data at a time. 2100 is your enemy at the moment. 1930 is friend. Stablecoin dominance. Been looking for a retest after a breakout. Very valid. Supply line is now trying to get flipped into a demand line. And again, if you've watched my previous videos, you probably haven't. False breakout, possible false breakout of a descending triangle. Retest, back test, so spring, back test, liquidity grab, spring, back test. Now we're breaking out of a bearish pattern that should have broke to the downside. Oh yeah, this could get bad. Owing me money, Heisenberg. Very bad. But we don't know what's going to happen. And analysis, technical analysis is a great tool to help you get an edge on what might happen. Let's move on. Total. Kind of looks like Bitcoin, bro. Breaking down. Possible bearish retest. I put an orange circle here. Remember when I put an orange circle, I believe we're going to see bearish price action. And I've had that there for a while, and sure, like, you know, could move it up here now. But, you know, originally it was here. It's okay. I might even be wrong that I'm trying to predict, and we're not supposed to use technical analysis to try to predict. We're trying to find places to manage risk appropriately, 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, stop loss under a key level, small loss if you lose, big gains if you win, proper position sizes, and that's it. These circles are for me and me only. Don't get mad. Total 2 is the scary chart in my opinion. We have an ascending triangle making the same highs but higher lows. Should break out to the upside, which it did, but you know, the bulls couldn't keep it going as soon as we closed inside the pattern. Now we're bearishly retested. Now we're out of it and we're bearishly retesting, just like stablecoin dominance being a bearish pattern breaking to the upside after a false breakout. This is a ascending triangle breaking to the downside after a false breakout. There's your confluence in the crypto market. This could end very bad. In order to see total 2 win, tired of winning, we need to see it get back in the pattern, break, retest, and then maybe we'll talk. But for now, I mean, you can't be bullish on crypto. I'm sorry. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. It's just analysis, bro. Don't get mad. Let's get out of crypto for now. Apparently, Google's gonna take it all from us anyway. Blood from a stone, baby. OMG. Technical difficulties, gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it. The DXY, I mean, this thing's been on major breakout watch for quite a while. I mean, you do have some bearish divergence on the RSI, but it could just be resetting before a breakout. I'm not sure what could happen, is anyone's guess. And sure, could it pull back and, you know, reconfirm 98.915 as support again? Sure. It's the second time we've gotten out into that whole extra, you know, big liquidity zone, fast, low liquidity zone, whatever, bro. I have no idea what I'm talking about. We're just waiting for a major breakout on DXY. I believe it'll bring markets lower. Any short-term pumps probably just gonna make lower highs. If the DXY breaks out, I would expect lower highs in all of the index funds and your favorite stocks. We're gonna see what happens because we're gonna be here, and that's it. Let's go to the Dow. Still believe we're gonna go lower, fill these gaps. Any move to the upside, I would expect it to be short-lived. You have a gap here, could come up and fill it. I mean, this thing could run all the way up and retest 48,441. We've already come down to support, possible support. Old resistance, I will say it that way. We've already come down to old resistance. Is it support? We don't know until it happens. You do have bullish divergence, possible bullish divergence on the daily. You know, divergences are definitely a game changer. These gaps down here are so close and within reach. I mean, a flash crash to it and a recovery wouldn't be out of the cards. But all we can do is wait and see what happens. Sure, there's bullish divergence on the Dow Jones. We could be breaking a, supply line, but We need to see it break, and then we need to see like a confirmation with some more divergence or something, and then maybe we can start swinging again. For now, sitting on your hands, I still believe is a good idea. Even if we do go up, you don't have an edge on the market. At least on the Dow. Let's go to the SPY. You got a possible bearish retest right here. It's a diagonal line, so you know, take it with a grain of salt. But we've lost it, and now we're gonna try to retest it. But you know, you got gap, 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 gap. I mean, they could run this thing way higher and still make a lower high than these, and you know, roll over. I don't know what's gonna happen. Everything I expected to happen here happened and played out. And now we're just watching key levels. So, you know, you have your support over here. Maybe we'll come down and, you know, retest it and confirm it. But of course we're gonna get a bounce after having 7 red candles in a row, in my case yellow. I mean, if we were the Dow Jones, we'd be down here. Got gaps way lower on the SPY. I mean, I don't know, dude. I don't know. You zoom out, that trend line is very valid. What if it was even something stupid like that? I don't know. Whatever. I'm sick. I can barely think today. Figured I'd put out a video just to keep my head in the game, even though it feels like the game is in my head. I mean, these things are just signs of distribution. It looks like a, you know, a reversed inverse cup and handle almost. It's weird. That's not a real pattern, so I'm just funking around, bro. NASDAQ, I mean, if we were the Dow Jones, we'd be down here. So there's gaps above, there's support way down here. Fresh anything does not make sense. Fresh longs, fresh shorts don't make sense. War of the masses, the outcome's disastrous. Many of the victims' families save the ashes. Russell futures, I mean, they look like they're hanging off a cliff. You do have some possible divergence. Today's not over yet, so this could just build negative momentum eventually and keep rolling over. There's a time to make money, there's a time to not lose money if you have any money left. I don't know, we'll look at the metals real quick and then I'm out of here. Alright, so that support held. Candles closed above it. The wicks probably took out stop losses or whatever. Still gotta be careful of a bearish retest of this whole uptrend channel. Gotta recapture major levels. Really would want to see 48, 77, 25 get recaptured and confirmed as support. Maybe we'll go up further, but that bearish circle from a long time ago was a nice resistance, false breakout, reconfirmation, right? So if you flip the chart over, hitting Alt-I, Alt inverse, you know, it's pretty much, you have a level You lost it, you reclaimed it, you reconfirmed it, and then we moved to the top of the pattern. Now we're breaking out, looking for a retest, and we might go. Well, let's flip that back over. That's what it looks like. It's the same shit but different, right? We don't know what's gonna happen, and acting like we know what's going to happen will just get us in the stupid box. I mean, you got a major supply line on silver. Maybe we'll break it. Maybe we'll break it and reconfirm it and as a demand line and go, you know. Best analysis ever. Proud of myself today for even making an effort. I don't know what else to look at. I'm gonna get this video out to you guys. If you find value in my analysis, I really appreciate it. I got a Discord. I don't let people in there yet. If you're in it, love you. DowJonez on Substack. Dowser 42069 on the Twitter, kid. Love y'all motherfuckers. Be blessed. One day at a time. Here we go. Sounds like Pink Floyd. Just fucking instruments sound like shit. Let's see what else we can do real quick. Peace, love, and llama.